Very close. Yeah? So at any time, within any type of space, I should be able to release the same energy. For this, of course, we need the overall concept of detachment. If I come too close, then I don't feel that I can have enough momentum to create power. If you use the throwing engine, so from this distance, right, I throw. Yeah? Here, I come a little bit closer. Yeah? Come a little bit closer. Little bit closer. And then even very close, very close. Yeah? Now you really need to be able to use Ging and Qi to inject. But without the right internals, without the right cultivation process, this is impossible.